Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to clean a scanner on a Canon MF-8050 printer. So if you've ever been printing something from your computer and it comes out fine, but you go to make a copy of it, and you notice that now you're getting lines or streaks or any kind of dots or anything on your scanner or on your scans, then your scanner needs to be cleaned. So depending on where that's happening at, if you're feeding it through the document feeder in the top, on this one, if you lift the lid, you'll notice there's a small piece of glass here on the left, and then a big piece of glass that kind of covers most of your scanner bed. If you're feeding through the document feeder and you're getting a big line that goes all the way down the page, that means there's going to be something on this little small piece of glass here. If you have a piece of paper on this flat piece of glass, and that's when you're noticing a defect, then you're going to want to clean the big piece of glass on the scanner. The big thing to know is never put whatever cleaner you're going to use, don't put it directly on the glass. Always apply your cleaner to a cloth, preferably some type of lint-free cloth. It doesn't really matter what you use. If you don't have a cleaner, you can use a little bit of water, but something like a glass cleaner is preferable. A little bit of rubbing alcohol works really well too. And you're just going to put a little bit on a cloth. You don't need much. And just clean, make sure you get everything off. Sometimes it'll be kind of hard to see. It could be, just a little bit of dried ink that got on the glass, or a little bit of whiteout is really common. Things of that nature. Just give it a good clean, kind of look around, make sure you don't see anything left on the glass. And then just like that, we've cleaned, in this case we actually cleaned both scanners just because you're there, you might as well. It's a really simple job. Run a few test pages, make sure everything looks good. If not, try it again, and that should take care of your problem.